Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make acne zapper paste. And to make this recipe you need just 3 ingredients, which is the shea butter. Organic unrefined shea butter is what you need, and you need the acne powder, also organic, and you need the tea tree essential oil. Okay, tea tree essential oil, that's what you need. So with these 3 recipes we're going to be making an acne zapper paste. And just before we get started, I just want to say that you need to make sure that everything is clean. You need to make sure that your container and everything has been sterilized and everything is clean before you get started. Okay, so for this recipe I'm going to be using 50 grams of the shea butter, and I'm going to be using 25 grams of the zinc oxide. So I'm going to measure this all out. This is what it looks like. This 15. Okay, so this is the quantity we're using. This is the quantity we're using. We're not using any more than this. And so you want to, so we're going to whip this. You can use a spoon or whatever it is that you want to use to do this. You can use a spoon or whatever it is that you want to use to do this. I'm going to be using this to whip this. I'm just going to go ahead and whip this around. After this, we're going to put in the zinc powder. Okay, so we are using 25 grams of this. Apparently, that's going to be we're going to use. Let's use a tablespoon. Let's use half tablespoon for those pictures. So I'm going to use this to remove any off. So this is all we need. We've gotten all we need right now. So Okay guys, this is what our mixture looks like. This is what it looks like. This is the shea butter and the zinc. This is what it looks like right now. This is a miracle paste for acne, guys. If you're suffering from acne, this is what you need. Next up, we're going to be using our tea tree essential oil. So we're going to be using 10 drops of this essential oil. So we just want to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, sorry, I did put in 12, but you can use either 10 drops, 10 to 15 drops. So let's just do 15. Let's just do 12. We did 12. So sorry guys, 12 drops. But you can use 10 to 15 drops for this, and you just want to stir in. You just want to stir this in well. So now this paste does not need preservative because there is no water in this mixture. It's just the shea butter, zinc, and the tea tree essential oil. I don't know if you guys can see. So it does not need preservative. You can use it. You just need to store this in a clean container. Please guys, remember to always use a clean container. Spray with 99.9 alcohol, so it's free from germs. So this is what our acne paste look like. So you just want to put this paste on your acne, leave it for 30 minutes and wash it off. Or you can use this overnight. You can use this paste overnight. You can use this paste overnight and wash it up in the morning for 30 minutes and wash it up. But please, it has to be 30 minutes so it can be effective. Whatever you rub on your face, I'll show you guys. Rub it in your hand. Just apply it on the acne, wherever it is you have acne. You don't want to rub it like this, like cream. You just want to take it and apply on the spots, just a bit to apply it on where you have acne, and leave it overnight. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and the like button. Turn on your post notification for new videos for your skin.